Little glary. That's better. Well, good evening. We're sitting here by the open fire. Well, kind of closed in fire, but hey. We're going to scrap out a Sakura U211. This is a $600 range hood. New, of course. So it's got twin motors. Let's see how much copper. And let's see if this is stainless. Probably get dirty stainless for it if I clean it up. Oh, no. Ship. Sheeby steel. We're at really cheap stainless. Some yards will buy it for a little more than steel price. Good thing is, so far, ooh, little copper wire. I don't know about all this stuff, but yeah, a little bit of copper wire. We definitely had two fans. Get this piece here too. This is the cover. I had to come off to get the other piece off. Yep. All metallic. Yeah, ferrous. So, but like I said, some places will buy that. I'm just gonna throw it in the shred. But let's weigh it up and see what she's worth in shred. It's a big hood. And then you know, take her apart and see what we get out of her. Let's get started. Okay. Let's get a weight. £25, 6 ounces. Let's see if we can get this thing to stay on here. Hey, look at that. 32 pounds total. Wow. Okay. So 32 pounds of scrap, shred, that would be. So let me get rid of this other piece because I barely have any room in here. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's get rid of the glass. I don't need to be cleaning anything up. All right. First thing I see that I want is all that wire, especially if it's copper. So let's find out. No. All right, that piece is copper. We're gonna keep that aside. Aluminum. Somebody let me know if this stuff sells for extra, this aluminum stuff. I just throw it into the shred for now. Anyway, hopefully. That's all steel. Yeah. All right, let's get to these motors. Let's find out if there's anything good in this thing. So far, it's just shred and a tiny little piece of wire. I'm guessing we gotta take these caps off because everything else looks welded. Hey, look at that. Bam. This little nut. Huh. That's metal. Dirty aluminum. If you cut this out, this outside is aluminum. These fins are aluminum. You can bend all them little tabs out or cut it or something. Rip it off. That's aluminum. That's steel. We might do that just to see what we get or if it's even worth it. At least try on one of them. It can't hurt to try. If it takes a couple seconds and makes a few bucks, why not? Let's see what we got here with these big beasts. 1, 2, 3, 3 bolts. Right into the steel pile. Alright. That's a little funky. So that's the motor. The case is aluminum. Let's see what we got. Survey says, okay. Survey says she's on there.
Tappa, tappa, tappa. Look like copper.
Oops. Did I do that? If we can get that piece out of there, that's clean aluminum. Get a little center of balance there. Oh, baby. She's a copper. She's a copper lady. The heck is holding you in there? Oh, friction. What's going on here? Well, she's copper. We got to figure out what to get her out with because she ain't coming out so far. We're going to set her down out of the way. And let's continue to the other motor. That'll be cleaned. And the rest of this is pretty much a shred, so. Probably got a few cents in shred here. I'm not doing the math on that. It's probably about 20 pounds of shred. I'm sure a lot of the weights these motors weigh pretty good amount. Get a weight on them. The casing's like nothing. It's just a thin piece of metal. There we go. That's what we wanted. All right. Trashola. Well, not really trash, but steel. Steel. I'll go outside later. How to collapse. All right. Let's start with the easiest things. I think I can clean that up. Well, it's definitely non-ferrous. Yep, brass. Old brass bushing. Let's give that a little love tappy. Aluminum, look at that. Get that trash out of there. I gotta knock that plug out of there. Clean aluminum. Yeah. Maybe we'll cut that with some snips or something. But for now, let's go with the gold. Or in this case, the copper. The green gold. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I don't know what that says, but if anyone can read that, well, I know what the numbers are, but it was made in 2010. I don't know what language the other words are in, but it's a really nice fan. I put another one in for the guy. Same brand. So he must really like it. Really mess with these. Is there anything even in there? Yeah. Ain't popping open for me. I don't know if there's anything in there or not. I don't really care. Shred. Alright, let's clean this beast up. Get our little piece of brass out of there. Aluminum. Brass. Trash. Huh. That side actually had some grease in it. I'm gonna have to. Oh, give me a second. Okay, just grabbed a little paper towel, shop rag thing. In my garage, so I really don't want to make a mess. There we go. Anyway, Let's keep going. Let's knock that bad boy there right off. That one was a little harder. More clean aluminum. Going to shred. No. I don't need that aluminum that bad. All right, let's try these things here. Clean aluminum. Look at that, they drop right in place. Clean aluminum. That was great. Let's just clean this up a little bit. I prefer getting all that out of the way. And cutting the rope, twine, whatever you want to call it, off, I find helps. If I had my cutter, where'd my knife go? There she is. I'm not going to bore you with the other one. I'm going to get the other one cleaned up real quick and be right back. Of course, when I didn't show you cut real easy, let's see if this side does it, and we'll just show this side. If you get it in the right spot, they cut real easy, like so. And like the other one I did, which was in the wrong spot. And some people can even untie them. I've never been good at that. Some people just hit them and untie the dang thing. I find this to be the easiest. If you get in the right spot like I just did there, it's quite simple, like the last one I did. All right. There we go. Let's get cutting. See that? I upgraded to a nice piece of wood here. I gotta get the mask on and stuff, and we're gonna get cutting. Okay, got everything set up here. Let's grind this bad boy out. No time to waste today cutting. I got a nice mask on, we're good. Yeah, the one time I put the bin under me, I need it. Where's my tray? Artificial lives in the market. All right, let's get back. That was a heck of a lot quicker than cutting, that's for sure. There we go. Stay. I was gonna say, you seem pretty nice. You should pull pretty easy. Definitely wear a mask if you're gonna cut with the grinder. Get top of that. It comes out real nice and easy too, like this. I cannot complain about cutting it with the grinder, except for it is a little dusty. If I was outside, I wouldn't give a damn. Shred weight. Alright, now for the hard part. Let's get all this plastic out of here. Oh, so hard. It's so hard to do this. It's killing me. Just a bundle of copper just sitting there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I feel blessed when I get a nice good motor like that. Look at that. That is amazing. That is money in the bank. Well needed, might add. I owe the bank enough money. Alright, let's that was pretty quick. Let's get that motor emptied. I like that. Into the bin. One of these days I should weigh the bin and get an actual weight on the bin. I've yet to do that. A bit of plastic we missed. Alright. Let's get the big chunks in there. Bam! Bam! Alright. Chunky monkey. Looking nice. Pretty good amount. A bit of trash there, no big deal. Pull that right out of there. I don't want them saying anything to me. My copper's dirty. My copper is not dirty. Let's put that out the way. Let's do the next. Real quick. Get a weight on this guy. How much should we make in copper? How much did we make in copper and aluminum this time? Money! All right. Put this up real quick. That's what I call a big bundle of cash. That is a surprising amount of copper for those motors, but hey, I will take it. That is a good day. Any day I can pay my bills is a good day. All right, let's get this ripped out of here. It's been slow lately. I'm working on getting a trailer and a hitch for the car, for the Toyota. And seeing how much I can make scrapping with the Toyota. Because not everybody's got a truck. Not everyone can afford a truck. Some people might afford the trailer. I got microwaves and all kinds of stuff I get copper out of right in that little car on the way to work. So I don't complain about it. And it says it's got a 3,000 pound towing capacity. so I could tow a little trailer and do some picking up all over the place as I go to work and everything. Do some street scrapping, an old dumpster diving maybe even, and make a little extra money with it all, because I needs it. That's to pay the bills, people. That's to pay the bills. All right, let's add that in there. All right, there we go. I'm probably not going to cut them. The aluminum off this, it's probably only a couple pennies of aluminum, and it ain't coming off easy. So cost versus time, that loses out. But we did get all this copper. Oop. Let's do it that way. All right. We're at 0. Let's see how much. Let's do the aluminum first. £1, 3 ounces of aluminum. So right now it's probably about 60 cents worth of aluminum. So that's cool. I'll take that over nothing. I doubt these are going to weigh. Yeah. Not heavy enough. All right, let's get to the goods. Ooh, just over a pound of copper. £1, 3 ounces of copper. That's about $4 right there. It took me, I don't know, not that long to tear it all apart. 10, 20 minutes. I'll take the $4 of copper and $4.50 in everything, and then the scrap, another 50 cents. I'll take the $5 for tearing that apart on my day off. Not a bad deal. I like it. Let's add it to the pile. All right, let's turn that off so we don't kill our battery. Throw this back in here so we don't make a mess. And let's get the number 2 bin open. There she is, Miss number 2 bin. Let's hold on 1 second here. I'm gonna get the light. The heck am I caught on? Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I don't got a fancy setup like some people. I gotta move stuff around. There's the number 2 bin. There's the stuff we got yesterday. Oh, that chunky, heavy. I mean, look at that stuff. That stuff's still glued together. That's horrible. That was hard work. These pulled apart in like seconds. That one was like, oh my gosh. All right. We're about half full in the bin. Throw that in there. Looking good. Get down up in there. All right. Bin's growing. The bin's growing. Nice. All right, that'll be it for today. I'm gonna close this one out here with the bin. Benzo copper. I'll get another weight on this later. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe. Thank you. Good luck scrapping. And you can do it with anything. I'm doing it with a 4-door Toyota Avalon that I got for free. I mean, I had to fix it, of course, but I got it for free. It works good, though. It's got its quirks, but it runs. I mean, I've found at least 20, 30 bucks just on the way to work with that, just with nothing in a few days. So, not bad. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.